Okay, in this video we're going to be placing the roof. So if you go to the 3D view, you can see that our model doesn't have a roof right now, so we need to get the roof. To give the roof, we're going to go to the first floor plan view, the roof plan view. So there you go, on the roof plan view. And if you come here and don't see anything, that means in the properties window, if you go down, you'll find something that says underlay. So there you go, underlay. So the range is given as ground floor. So if your range is set as none on the roof level, you'll see nothing. Okay, so make sure that it is given to ground floor, because if the underlay is given to roof, there you go. Okay, oh sorry, that's the range. Let's just give roof there. If we give the underlay as roof, since there is nothing on the roof, you'll also not see anything. So there, we'll just give the range as ground floor for this particular model. There you go. Now we're going to go to the architectural tab. From there, we're going to go to the floor, and we're going to take the architectural floors, and this time we're going to place a concrete type of floor. There you go. This is the type of floor that we're going to place. We'll be using the pick walls option once again, and then we're going to place the walls. There you go. Select the wall, select that wall. Select that particular wall, select that particular wall, select that particular wall. All the walls have now been selected. Now again, we have to trim this part out, otherwise the slab will not be drawn. So selecting it right over there, coming up to this point, and voila, it's gone. Now that it's gone, we may need to make sure of the boundaries. So you can see this boundary is laying on this side of the wall, but it's supposed to be on this side of the wall, because the 10-inch walls are the walls that are going to be supporting the slab on top. So the entire wall must be under the area. So we'll just select it and use these arrows to flip the location. So all the locations seem okay right now. So since all the locations seem okay-ish to us, and we're just going to click on the green tick, and it'll ask if you want to attach. So just click on attach. There you go, it is now done. Now if you close the roof level, there we go, and go to the 3D view, and we can see that we have a solid concrete roof on top of our house model. Okay. Alright, now we come back to ground floor, and now that we have drawn our roof, from the next video we can move forward from there. Okay, so that is it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you got to learn something new.